Hello, good morning. I've got a screw in the tire here. It's my daughter's car. I want to put it in a vise here. There's a screw, and then I just want to take it out. I'm going to put this other rubber stuff in. What I do first, I just mark it with the Tipex. Sometimes when you take it out, you don't know where the hole is. So let's take this drill. Let's take it out. See, now it starts blowing out. Look at it's a nice self-tapper here that I need to take out. Now what I've got is this stuff here. It's a tool. It's a whole tool set here. And then there's a little gooey rubbery stuff that you gonna put in this. The handle is broken off already. You put it in there, and when you pull it out, you see there's a slot in the front there. Then it comes out there, then it stays behind in the tire. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take one of these things out. Little sticky stuff. Now I have to put it through here. It's a bit of a problem to get it in here. What I have here, I've got the shoe glue. It's the same as this glue you get with tire, where you take patches. So it's that solution that you use in the bicycles. Then you just rub this in here, just to make it like a slippery. I'm going to put in a tire also. Just put this aside here. You can start pulling this thing easier. It's easier to put through now. But firstly, this hole, you get this other tool that you clean that hole. But what I do, I don't use it. I take a drill and I just I drill this out. Because there's like a metal part in the inside that we'd like to, take some focus in here. You can maybe see better. You can see nicely there's like metal coming out there. This is the metal mesh inside the tire. That is what makes it difficult to get that thing in the first place. And then what I do now, as I say, the handle is already off, then I take a vice grip. I'm going to put this thing in the vice grip. It's actually weld the handle for me on here. Then you need to push this thing in here. Now the thing is gone. Okay, I decided there's a better way, maybe just to put it in the front of the drill. I'm not going to use it. Okay, now we need to put a lot of these things on here, as you still can see. You must put it there, push it in there, then again make sure there's lots of them in here. Let's close this. Okay, now we're gonna, as you see, there's now a lot of this solution of that glue I put on there. I'm gonna force this in here, and this is the tool that you're supposed to use. Let's try some more glue. Just take this focus out a bit again. Okay, let's try again. Now I'm going to pull it out. So now I can see, now the stuff gets stuck in there. It's like it goes in, bend and come back again. And I plug the hole. Now what you do, you take a, just going to get a knife quickly. Okay, now you take your carpet knife, your utility knife, and then you just cut this off there. Now this is stay behind. Just going to take this off here. Now you can see how it looks. Now I cut it off with a knife. Now that is a plug. Yeah, like a plug sits in there and then it closes the hole in the tire. So this is how you fix a tire with a skid and a shoe glue or a what do you call it, solution, some sort of solution. And this way to fix it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Next time, cheers.